back to another video. You're watching Phone Zone today with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about a variant which is Sony's Xperia new out here. Yes, Sony's different variant Xperia new out here. And when we talk about this variant, this was a touch variant out here, released back in 2011. Yes, 2011 model out here, having a very different kind of a structure, different kind of camera placement. We can see there were a lot of things which have changed out in Sony's variant out there. Over the period of time, we can see there is a very vast change in the structure. And when we talk about structure, we can see that it has got a curvy edge. It has got a different curve out there. And when we talk about this curve, we cannot neglect out the weight. Yes, weight it plays a weight goes actually parallel to parallel with the design. If the design changes, weight also changes. So the weight of this variant is approximately 126 grams, which is approximately 130. Yes, 126 is the weight out here, exact weight. Talking about the SIM technology used in it, it is a constant out here that Sony provides you mini SIM type technology. Yes, mini SIM type is seen in this variant also, offering you a screen size of 3.7 inches. Yes, 3.7 inches is the screen size out here, as well as offering you 265 ppi density resolution. So density, resolution, weight, these goes hand in hand. So this has also changed over the period of time. Now when we talk about this touch type screen, is it having TFT or not? No, it has a different screen, that is LED backfit LCD captive screen. Yes, there is LCD captive screen out here, which is LED backlit out here, which was very different version out there. Offering you a good colorization of 16M so that you have a good visualization, good pop-up colors out there. So it plays a very important role in Neo out there, and especially Xperia Neo. The Neo name was given because of the colors it used to play with. Yeah, the colors we have seen in this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say since it's a touch type variant, so it will have an internal platform of Android chip system, processors, process makers. So it has a good collaboration with Android 2, which is upgradable up to Android 4. Yes, upgradable Android 4 in collaboration with Snapdragon S2. Yes, Snapdragon S2 and Android upgradable 4 along with 1 gigahertz Scorpion is working well with the collaboration and coordination of Android chip systems out there of GPU. So overall, if we talk about this variant, this platform works very well out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a memory card, it offers you a memory storage out there, offering you a dedicated slot for 8 GB storage capacity. Yes, a dedicated slot for 8 GB storage capacity, because internally it just provides you 320 MB and 512 MB RAM. So storage is very less out there. Talking about the storage, we can say that expandability is good enough and can be more enough if it can be expanded more. But 320 is definitely not good enough, but it's a plus point that expandability is given to this product. Whereas when we talk about the camera of this variant, we can say it offers you 8 megapixel rear camera. Yes, 8 megapixel rear camera, and the placement of camera is quite different. It has got a ring surrounding it. It is beneath the placement, and it's a very different variation out there. Placement is very different out there. You also find a selfie camera out here along with 3.5 jack and loudspeakers. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, it has got Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, GPS, stereo type speakers, radio connectivity, USB 2 type charging, accelerometer, proximity compass. These all things can be seen out, which we usually find in the touch variants. Apart from that, you also find that it has got 1500 mAh battery. Yes, 1500 mAh battery can be seen out. Along with that, you get to see 7 hours talk time of a great functionality in 3G variant. So it offers you 7 hours talk time in 3G variant, so which can be considered as a good version. Talking about this great and good functional phone, we can say that it offers you a good range of pricing also, but there is a site which offers very profitable rate for this. And the site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site name phonezone.ae, which offers you great pricing for your products. This search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets out there, which helps you to know your favorite gadgets. As I'm typing Neo out here, So this is the result for our search, and when we move downwards, we see a description box offering all the specifications which we were discussing right now, as well as we get to see that there is a condition written on the top that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, or we can say refurbished brand, or like brand new. If we talk about these two terms, then refurbished and brand new word, they both are quite same. Brand new itself means something which is first time launched or we are seeing for the very first time, whereas refurbished means something which is brand new, like something which is brand new like. So these are the two terms out there which we come to know. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that brand new term uh, resembles to the gadgets, to the thing, or to anything which is absolutely newly launched, which is for the very, very first time, and we have not seen it in the entire series. But refurbished is like that is a pre-owned thing which is now recreated again so that it can be reused. Yes, this is what actually refurbished and brand new means. If we talk about the structure, if we talk about the functionality of these variants, they are absolutely same. Yes, if you get to see the functionality, they have the same functionality, whereas if you get to see the structurality, if you see the design, if you see the eyes, screen, if anything, any gadget, then they are also same. So overall we can say that brand new and refurbished products are very, very same. Once a refurbished product could be called a brand new, but a brand new product can never be refurbished, you could say that. Because once a gadget is always brand new. Yes, once a gadget will always be brand new, but any brand new gadget can never be refurbished. Now let us talk about the passage or how is it related, because we said that they are quite similar. So we can see that brand new's extension is refurbished. How? We have usually the three bases out here. We have the three pathways followed by any gadget. One is the base. Base is something from where we get that gadget originated from there. Then comes the mediator, is the place where the base and the consumer meets, and the consumer are we, the users. Now in brand new, what happens is brand new has the base which is the company. Yes, brand new's base is the company out here, because company is the one which for the very first time launches any gadget out here. Yes, this is the company which launches any gadget. Whereas mediator is the marketplace. Always the mediator will be marketplace for the gadgets, because this is the place where it's a bridge actually where the company and the users meet. Now talking about the consumers are the users who uses that gadget for the very first time. This is actually the brand new out there. This is a brand new pathway. Now when we talk about brand new pathway, it terminates at the user. Yes, it terminates at the user. Now talking about the user, this user becomes the base of refurbished product, because the product has been pre-owned out here, so you get to have a refurbished brand now. If it is pre-owned, then it is said that it is once used out, so you can definitely once again use it. How? It is resold to another user. Yes, it is resold to another user. Now this is brought up in the market agencies which buy or which collects the pre-owned gadgets. Yes, pre-owned gadgets are used out here, are collected here. After that, you get to have a testing of that gadget. Everything has to be tested, and then it is again resold to the users, and the users becomes a new user out here. Yes, now the user is a different user, another user is this. So this is what happens in a refurbished pathway. So you will find the structurality same, functionality same. Why we say so? Because there are 29 parameters to test these designs, these functions out there. Yes, you get to have 29 parameters, which include the external and internal parameters like display. Externally, we can see all the factors like display buttons out there, camera, video, audio quality out there, even the battery life, charger. These things could be seen out. This is what brand new happens to be. Now talking about brand new products, we can say that brand new products offers you these things, and the same external factors offers you is offered in the refurbished category. Now, apart from these, refurbished also sees that the screen has scratches or not, the color is correct or not, is there any displacement in the buttons. These things also have to be seen, and the buttons are working properly or not. So these things also are checked out in these parameters. Then comes the internal parameters. Internal parameters includes nothing else but the internal functional parts like the connectivity, SIM recognition, OTG cable out there, your data wiping, data recovery, data colorizations out there, your LCD colorization, your touch screen, even your internal platforms like operating system, your processor, process maker, GPU out there. If it has sensors, then all kind of sensors has to be tested. Even the hotspot, Bluetooth connectivity, all the things has to be checked. Like 3.5 jack has to be checked out. So all the specifications which we read, which we study about any gadget once it is being launched, they all have to be checked out. Once it is checked, then these are certified as a refurbished gadget. If it is not passing in any of the parameter, if it fails in any one parameter, then it has to be renewed, it has to be corrected. Yes, if it fails in like display, then the display has to be changed out so that it can be resold, and the display is brought by the company out there. So it gives you a quality check, a good quality product, so that it offers you a good service. So this is overall the parameters which defines how the refurbished gadget looks like. Now talking about refurbished gadget, we can say there are few benefits associated with it. Now let us talk about the benefits of this product. And talking about the benefits of this product, we can say number one is the pocketable rates. Talking about pocketable rates, we can say that pocketable rates are very important part of any gadget, because we know that most of the gadgets are quite expensive for us. If we want to buy, then we need to check our pockets, whether they fit into our pocket or not. So this is one thing which happens, and refurbished products are usually quite pocketable. Now, talking about this pocketable rate, does it offer savings? Yes, it offers you savings also, because you get to have a savings where you, because brand new products are actually quite expensive, whereas refurbished are pocketable, so you can save a good amount. Yes, you definitely save a good amount out there. As well as when we talk about these products, we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, whereas you get to have 6 months warranty period in the refurbished gadgets. Yes, refurbished gadgets offers you 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7 days exchange policy. 7 day exchange policy is given so that you do not miss out your favorite gadgets, and if you have any default in the gadget, then that could be rectified and exchanged out there. So these are the few benefits associated with refurbished products, which you might not find in the brand new products. So these can be set a very good production and a very good condition out there. We can say a good condition which helps us to know about a gadget. So let us quickly go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same conditions or not. So as we were talking about the site, that is Phone Zone, which means Phone Zone means a place where you get a collection of gadgets out here, and here you get to see a category all mobile phones. This offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands, as well as you get to search your favorite gadgets out here. As we were discussing about the refurbished products, we got to see that there's a 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy, and this website offers you 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy also. Apart from that, there is COD and free shipping. Yes, COD and free shipping can also be seen out here, so you can check out the website. Shipping की बात करें, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. For best pricing, yes, for best pricing, you can visit out the website out here, which is phonezone.ae, or you can check out the description box. It has all the details. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.